We're on the seafront now. Hey all, One Motor Rider here, and today we're doing another night POV. And yeah, basically, we're going to do a little POV, a little talk about this car. Nice little spoiler here. We have got this thing which is just gone. Someone kicked it out by accident getting in the car. And yeah, we've got a bit more, I've got a few things to say about the car. We've got the one headlight here, and the other headlight there. Oh, I tell you what, the headlights do look so sick. Shut up car, please. But boom, that's just so bright. We've only got the one on. But yeah, the next one I was saying, I was going to try and take it apart, but I tried to take it apart, well, the old headlight, and I've melted it instead. So basically, I've melted it. So the thing about that is trying to make a cardboard thing, but now at the minute we've got the stars in a nice location. Let's turn the light on and let's just have a quick POV drive and tell you everything about the car that's going on. So yeah, let's get out of here. So basically this car at night is completely amazing to drive. Like, it is so cool, especially with all the lights down here. It's amazing. Right, let's try and do this spectacularly U-turn looking thing.
Hey, that's pretty good.
My favourite stretch of road. Put your foot down. Humble Clark, man. Oh, it's so good to drive. I need to put an exhaust on this thing. This thing is going to sound mad if I put an exhaust on this thing. This car, man, this car. It's not fast, but it's very enjoyable. Right, where you going, lad? Right, let's take a trip down here. So yeah guys, about the headlight. The headlight is, I tried to take off the old headlight using the heat gun method, and that just decided to melt half the headlight, and I was like, right, cool. No video out there. And about the videos, I know consistency is appalling for me, but I mean, I've just finished working, what, 5 days in a row washing dishes. I am burnt out as hell, and I've had dentist today as well. Surprisingly, I can speak properly even though I can't speak normally. I'm not going to say I'm the biggest Honda fan. I do appreciate, like, literally every single guy. If you've got a Corsa, man, you've got a Corsa. Sure, it's a Corsa. A lot of people do start with Corsas, and it probably is a great beginner's car, but I mean, the Hondas, man, something else. So I thought I'd do a little POV drive. Let's go down here, because apparently you guys do like to see my POV drives quite a bit. 2.7k views on the last POV, well, the first POV, and I'm just blinded by this guy, and I don't know what's happening. Cool, thanks. But yeah, it is just a madness. And it's a nighttime POV as well, which means it's quite dead at the minute on the roads, which is quite cool for opening up the car a little bit more, especially on the acceleration, which is literally 0 to 60 in 3 to 5 months. It's literally AliExpress waiting times. Is how slow this car is. I want to go that way and hit the seafront. So bloody hell. Right, so let's hit the seafront right now. Right, okay, let's not, oh my god. This place smells like sewage. Oh god, no, I did not explode in the car or anything like that. It just smells like sewage. So about the Honda, basically what's going to happen is I've been working quite a lot, so I can't really get as many videos as I would like to. And to be honest with you, I've got a very special, I've literally spent like a whole year's worth of wages on this one thing, and it's going to be so sick, and it's coming real soon, and I can't wait. But yeah, future plans for this car, I do need to get an exhaust, because loud cars can sometimes be more fun. And yeah, basically I need to get an exhaust. I need to actually restore the car because, you know, rust. So underseal it, everything. I might hit up my boy Car Mods TV. But apart from that, I need to get the other headlight on, and then I need to basically, what I've seen by Flyride is my man's literally gone ahead and got some cardboard and made a cardboard oven, like literally a cardboard oven. I don't know how it hasn't caught what the Ras Clark is going up here. All right, mate. But yeah, I literally don't understand how he's managed to, oh, that's not even on my side of the road. I don't understand how he's managed to make a, what are you doing up, lad? You just see some kid just lit up by the lights with a GoPro in his head, and he's like, what don is this then? Now someone explained to me why there's a sign on the floor. Like that, what? Why is there a sign on the floor? That just makes, oh, I don't even understand anymore. But yeah. Need some fuel. But I've got some ideas about the car. Currently it needs like a full-on like front lip, rear lip, maybe even possibly a whole new bumper, tints. The car needs a lot of work, and man's been lacking. So I need to actually go out, get it all sorted out, and record it for you guys. Holy Jesus, bombaras! I just saw the light. Oh, we're back here. Nice. Phenomenal. We're back here again. What a great place to start the video and to end the video. DMO shift it. The thing I need to do next is slow down first of all. But you guys, the next thing to do is sort out the left headlight and then show you guys what I've spent a lot of money on, and I can't wait to show you guys what it's about. But apart from that, I'll see you guys in another one. It's been Motor Rally, and I hope you enjoyed this mad POV drive with some DMO shifts. What the hell would I? What sound did I just make out my mouth? That was wow. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Spin Motor Rally. I'll see you guys in the next video, and whoop out. Wait, no. Have a good one. Whoop out.